Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will make lalapan lele. Lalapan lele is a popular food in Indonesia, especially in the island of Java. Because this food is comprised of dried or deep fried catfish and served with sambal. So, how to make it? Let's check my video. What a delicious this food. Here are the ingredients of lalapan lele. The first is catfish, 500 grams, and then turmeric 2 centimeters, 3 garlics, half tablespoon of salt, and then coriander, a half tablespoon, ginger 2 centimeters, and then lime leaves you need 3, and then flavor enhancer. For sambal, you need shrimp paste, and then red chili, and then big red chili, shallot or onion, and then tomatoes. For the first step to make lalapan lele, you clean the catfish and then take the entrails and gills and clean it. After that, you can add lemon juice to a lele or catfish. For make the catfish is not fishy. And then pure turmeric, garlic, salt, coriander, ginger, flavor enhancer, and lime leaves. And then add the catfish with softened seasoning. Let min a half hour to enable the taste soak up. Puncture the catfish to make it straight when it fry into frying pan. After a half hour, heat the food preparation oil in a frying pan and then cook catfish. Fry over medium heat up until a little brown. Wow, it looks a little brown, guys. After that, you can lift and drain the catfish from the frying pan. Then, fry the onion, shrimp paste, big red chili, and of course the tomatoes. After fry it, you may add sugar and salt, or you can add flavors enhancer, and then you can crush it again until softened. Ta-da! This is it. Lalapan lele is served with cucumber, of course, and then tomatoes, and of course basil. Don't forget to try it at your home, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, guys, for make this video so useful for you. Okay guys, see you next time. See you. Bye bye. And don't forget to turn on your notification for my next video.